Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very common trick in PCB design, how to mirror a footprint, or in other words, flip a component to the opposite side of the board. During layout, you often need to move a part from the top layer to the bottom layer, or align it with some mechanical structure. That's when the mirror or flip function becomes useful. First, select the component you want to flip. Choose Edit Footprint, then select Apply only to the selected components. On the canvas, you can press Ctrl-A to select everything, and then press X to mirror the component horizontally. If you press Y, they will be mirrored vertically. After mirroring, the component will switch to the opposite side, and the silk screen orientation will also flip automatically. You can clearly see the difference between the two sets. Now, sometimes your shortcut key may be different. Maybe they are not X and Y, no problem. You can simply drag select the component with your mouse. Right-click, and in the pop-up menu, you'll find the flip option. Click it and choose the flip direction you want. This method uses only the mouse and is extremely straightforward. A quick reminder, if you notice that the silk screen text is reversed after flipping, that's completely normal. When you move a component to the other side of the PCB, the software automatically adjusts the silk screen direction to match the viewing angle of the top and bottom layer. And that's the full process of mirroring a footprint. It's simple but incredibly useful during real-world PCB layout. I hope this lesson helped you work more smoothly in your designs. See you in the next class.